This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara Watz-Sawyer. Welcome to your new home in West Neck, Virginia Beach's premier 55-plus community, close to shopping, restaurants, and Sandbridge Beach. This 3,300-plus square foot home has a two-story high foyer and great room with soaring ceilings and windows. The open floor plan is not only spacious but is great for entertaining. The kitchen has a sought-after island stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. Adjacent to the kitchen is not only the great room on one side but also a cozy sunroom on the other. The primary suite has a double-door entry, spacious walk-in closet, one of 4 throughout the house, and a newly renovated bath with custom tile on the floor, spacious shower, and separate tub. The vanity has double bowl sinks, new lighting, and custom knobs. Upstairs 4 more bedrooms, one being the frog, and a loft can easily accommodate multiple guests or in-law living accommodations. 2 more upstairs baths are very neutral. Backyard has an extra large